I think it's important to be very truthful and to be a human behind the lens of all these tutorials and the actual app itself. At first, because I thought this project is something I would have passionate about. I would truly want to make this successful. And then I went down the AI rabbit hole, the Claude code and the Codex YOLO runs. I went down the rabbit hole and I thought, oh, this feature is so cool. Like, let's add it because AI did it pretty easily. Don't get me wrong, it's months of work. But I then realized when I start using the app, truly as a user, that a lot of these functions that AI is creating are not worth it. I don't use them. I don't want a 50 question test when I'm in line at the grocery store. I want a 2 or 3 question test. That's it. That's all I have time for. Or just whatever it is at the time that I decide I'm the user. I don't like this. Well, I'll code it into the app. Either way, it's an ever evolving app. Not only is the app evolving, the tutorial itself, as I go through, what's really a concept that will stick? What do I like better? So as the tutorials go forward, they become more meaningful. They become more realistic. They become more, I'm passionate more as I progress. And so even after the learning curve of Final Cut Pro, resolution, compression, the workflow, of course I have AI build, and you should see my workflow. I really do want to show people my workflow. When I'm done with this, I'm actually more proud of the workflow than I am of the app. So take that with a grain of salt. Yeah, the tutorials themselves, they evolve over time too. And yes, I've used Claude Code and Codex to create slides that I use Final Cut Pro to zoom in and zoom out on. I edit them, but some of them I just talk through. Some of them have talking heads, some don't. Then you realize some of these slides look very familiar because I've seen these slides before, this type of style. And so it evolves. I don't want it to look like AI. AI is helping me, sure. But what I really do, with the best I can do is try to come at this through a lens of a brand new user, a brand new non-techie person going through these tutorials, learning something for real and taking the analogies to their own life so that it really sticks. And that's what I have to offer. The organized structure, the way that I want to learn. And that's part of why I built this app, is because I wanted to do it the way I wanted to do it. But my workflow is getting better. So I can update and change and fact check way more often, way more, foolproof. What you're getting is a 7-day free trial on this app. So if you don't like it, just delete it. I mean, do me a favor and not give me a bad review, but just delete it. It's at a very affordable price. All of these videos, at least at this point of recording, are free on YouTube, and that will be known in the app too. My next version, I'll have links to go to YouTube. A lot of people want to full screen this. I'm sure iPad use will be useful as well, but this app is built for on the go as well. The point of this video is to just be super transparent, like very transparent. I built this app so I can learn. That's the truth. There's your truth bomb. Well, anyways, I hope you enjoy it. These are ever evolving. And again, I wanted to put a face to the voice that's in the apps. I will take feedback. Let me know if I zoom too much, if I'm zooming in it, if I'm moving too much. Let me know if my voice is accurate. One more thing I will add is after I'm done with each video, my workflow is pretty awesome. It transcribes the entire video. If there's something that's factually incorrect or egregiously wrong, it tells me, and I literally go back and re-record it. Or I'll put some sort of subtitle over it. I will mention that it's wrong, but more than likely I'll just record over it, whether that's a face recording or just a voiceover. But I'll do that. I might have said something that's just, oh, that is wrong. I can't live with myself if I put this on there. That's it. That's the end of my story. I hope to give you some updates here and there, and this is one of them. Anyways, my name is Mark Gingras, and I appreciate you checking out my YouTube channel. The least you can do is share this or mention it to other people. The most you can do is subscribe and help pay for this microphone and headphones and all the other equipment. All right, well, take it easy. Good luck.